22.
He can pass that to the players, and you can.
Tough group coming up this summer.
Yeah.
To win in Serbia. It was 1-1 in the return fixture. Mitrovic, who featured off the bench. And we've got Zua in action in the European Under-21.
And Kostic, they were the two players.
Back with Bernardo Silva. Portugal showing that they can be direct, and that's been headed in. It may have been an own goal by Milenkovic, but Diogo Jota coming in behind, and Portugal make the breakthrough. It is the perfect start for Fernando Santos and his team.
Reprezentacija Portugalije vodi sa 1-0, gol je postigao igrač sa brojem 17, Diogo Jota. Portugal.
Beautiful ball in by Bernardo Silva. It was Diogo Jota who got in just behind Milenkovic. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's in dramatic fashion. Done by Kostic. Mitrovic pick out. Kostic is there to give him some support if he needs it. Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes. Liver. Kostic. And over the top from Vlahovic. Kostic. Still delightful cross, looking again for Alexander Mitrovic. Cedric. Plenty in support. And it's a second goal for Diogo Jota. Two neat headers and a two-goal advantage now for Portugal. From Pavlovic, little in front of goal despite their many changes in Group A at half-time. It is 39th goal for his country. Alexander Mitrovic becomes their all-time record goal scorer. Trying to get in there just ahead of Danilo. Well, he stoops to conquer. Radonjic, one of two brought on at the interval by Serbia with the setup. Turned away and put behind for a corner kick. Milenkovic. 15 minutes at the start of the second half. Serbia, having made two changes at the interval, have suddenly got two goals. Fernando Santos, the Portuguese coach, now wearing the frown. Those two tactical switches at the interval. Rich allowed to go a long way. Font slips. And such an important challenge to get the ball away. Radonjic striding on and Ronaldo. Ronaldo doing his best to hold off Diogo Jota. Cancelo. Radonjic. He's done well to get to the ball.